Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very pleasant morning to one and all. Honorable and respected headmistress and dignified personality, Mr. Mohammad Amir sir present on the dais. And of the dais, zealous and enthusiastic staff members and dynamic and dashing students present in the premises. I wish you all a very happy 78th Independence Day. I, on behalf of Red Rose Primary and High School, Bidar, it is a great honor and a privilege for me to take this opportunity to thank you all for your kind presence on this auspicious occasion of National Festival Celebration Program. And as well, I would like to take the pleasure to elaborate my viewpoints on this tremendous and magnificent Independence Day morning. There is a Hindi quote that comes to my mind. दिल हमारे एक है हमारी जान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है और हम सब है इसकी शान। जहाँ पैदा हुए हैं वहीं पर दफन होंगे, जहाँ पैदा हुए हैं वहीं पे दफन होंगे। जीत गए तो वतन मुबारक और हार गए तो दफन मुबारक। न पूछो ज़माने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, न पूछो ज़माने से क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान ये है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी हैं। नफरत बुरी है न पालो इसे, दिलों में खबिश है निकालो इसे। न तेरा न मेरा न इसका न उसका, ये सबका वतन है संभालो इसे। मजहब के नाम पर जुल्म सितम हम नहीं करते, वफा की आड़ में सियासत हम नहीं करते। जमीन के अंदर भी जाते हैं तो गुस्ल करके वतन की मिट्टी को नापाक हम नहीं करते। Today we gathered here to celebrate the 78th anniversary of our nation's independence. We remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought for our rights and liberties. We have come a long way since then, but our journey is far from over. Let us continue to strive for a nation where every citizen has an access to education, healthcare, and opportunities to succeed. Let us honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters by upholding the values of democracy, equality, and justice. Let us work together to build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. We are proud to be Indians, and we will always stand united for our country's prosperity and glory. If Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha, Dasera and Deepavali, Christmas and Holi are religious festivals, whereas the Independence Day, the Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. This Independence Day is an annual celebration commemorating and memorializing the anniversary of our nation's independent statehood. Every year in our country, we celebrate this Independence Day with glorious autumn. This Independence Day is not only for remembering our freedom fighters, but it also reminds us our duty, what we had done and what we should do. We remember them and as well as make us fit for the competition with the outer world. The 15th day of August has been a red letter day with all Indians. This Independence Day is observed as a day of thanksgiving, rejoicing and merrymaking. We got our independence on 15th August 1947 from British Empire. It is the most important event in the history of our country and as well a joyful day for Indians. Before our independence, we were mere tools. We had no liberty of speech or action. Many leaders of our country fought and sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Our independence is mainly due to the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Tipu Sultan, and many others. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru made a historic speech on the eve of Independence Day. What he called the people to preserve the hard-won freedom. What Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said on this solemn occasion is reiterated by our present Prime Minister. Because our freedom is a peril, there is a danger to our freedom from within and outside. After India was free from British rule on 15th August 1947, it adopted this national flag. Our national flag consists of three colors. They are saffron, white and green. In the center of white band, there is an Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. Our national flag is the symbol of our pride, freedom and equity among our people. Mahatma Gandhi ji loved this spinning wheel very much. When we think about this spinning wheel, we remember our villages. India is the land of villages, and all the villagers work for their livelihood. There is a saffron color on the top of our national flag. The Hindus and Buddhists desire to wear the clothes of this color. Buddha showed the path of peace. He was a holy man, so many people became his followers. India too works for peace, so we have this color in our national flag. The green color is at the bottom of our national flag. Really, there is a great pleasure to see the green fields. The fields will give us the fruits and corns to survive. We can live without motor cars, but we cannot live without food. So this green color stands for well-being. We wish that one day or the other day, our men will lead a happy life. There is a white color in the middle of our national flag. We should also fight against poverty and ill health. Apart from these enemies, we have another enemy. Many people do not go to school. When they don't go to school, they want to know how to use their freedom and how to help their government. This national flag is hoisted on the Red Fort in Delhi with great pomp by our present Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He makes a speech from the ramparts of the Red Fort, and also this August ceremony is televised throughout the India. This national flag is also hoisted on every important building. Indeed, this national festival goes to keep us awake, our duty to the nation. Freedom and power bring responsibility, and responsibility rests on our shoulders. We take the pledge of dedication to the service of India. India has made much progress after getting independence. We, the Indians, are proud of our national flag. We respect it because we respect our country. It is our utmost duty to retain its honor and position without unity. On such important days, we fly it and salute it, but we should honor it every day in our life. Our lives should become a national flag which brings us peace and goodness and health in our life. Last but not least, I would conclude my talk with a Hindi quote. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, जब तक तेरी शान है. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, जब तक तेरी शान है. सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक तेरे जिस्म में जान है. ये बात हवाओं को बनाए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बनाए रखना. रोशनी होगी चरागों को जलाए रखना. लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की है, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. क्यों मरते हो यारो सनम के लिए, क्यों मरते हो यारो सनम के लिए. न देंगे दुपट्टा कफन